era, she was very good. Actually, lahat naman ng sinabi naming coaches na yung sobrang consistent niya as a performer. She's very, very distinct.
Nung umikot ako, inantay ko ng konti, hindi kasing bilis ni Coach Zach. Because inantay ko ng konti, gusto ko malaman nga yung consistency mo from your power, your vocal skills. Hindi ka kinapos talaga eh. Yung from the start to the end. Yung
Thank
binigay
you
mo
po.
yung best mo, halata, from the beginning. And it was consistent. Kaya tumuturo na ako kay Coach Zach.
Meron siyang sariling quality and charisma pag nasa stage siya. Sakit, pero kakayanin ko.